Do you want to know if the Temu app products are worth downloading? Let's see if they're as accurate as the pictures. If you don't know, I'm DOPENESS DJ, that's one S and two E's. Today, we are reviewing the Temu app. If you're always on the hunt for new apps to make your life easier, then this video is right for you. So what is the Temu app? It's a big marketplace that ships from overseas. It has clothes, shoes, electronics, really anything you want to buy. And it's for the low. That is why I'm even checking it out. But to be honest, my friend, he told me to check out this app. And I don't know, maybe that's why you're here, because it felt a bit scammy to me. And also, I was like, is this stuff even real? You know what I mean? I was like, is this real stuff? Also, is it gonna take months to come? Because I've had apps that shipped overseas and it took months to come. I was waiting on it for about 2 months, you feel me? But the good thing about that, I found out mine's didn't. Mine's came in 9 days. 9 days, yes. I placed the order on March 19th, and then they got to me March 28th in the afternoon. It was very delightful. They sent me texts, loved it. They sent me updates on where my package was at all times, because some apps be a little skeptical. They'll say it's over here and over there, but it hasn't moved. I knew it was coming today by the way they were texting me. Like, I was tracking it. I was like, they said it was gonna come at 8. That thing actually came at 7:50. I'm gonna be honest with you, it came at 7:50. So earlier than they even told me. The cool thing about it coming so quick was that I was able to connect my Klarna app right over to the Temu app, so it was easy and swift able to connect my payments. So it came before my second payment. So I actually only had to pay it one time so far. So I only paid a fourth. I paid a fourth of the price before the product is here. I'm not even done paying with it and I got my stuff, okay? So I was real happy on that one, you feel me? So I'm still paying on it, but I got my items, so I'm ready. Let's get into what I bought and let's see if they're as accurate as the pictures, because that is the main goal. Is it as accurate as what I picked out? So, oh my. Yeah. This is what it came in. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. The Temu app. Oh, and we matching? Stop it. You know I got my Naruto fit on. Yes. Naruto gang. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Temu. Let's go. Alright, so for the first thing, let's see what we have. This, I believe, is the 2-piece sweatsuit pink. This was about 17 bucks. This is what it looked like when I ordered it online on the app. And let's see if it actually looks like reality. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, this is soft. Soft, looks comfortable. Let me throw that down. Okay, this looks legit. This looks pretty legit. I like how the top, it has the stretch, little cuffs on the end. I will try them on eventually. I'm gonna try it on tonight and we'll see what we get. You got the hoodie. Oh, this look cute. I'm gonna try it on. Pink. Maybe I'm colorblind. This is feeling purple, but you tell me, is that pink or purple? Because if it surely look pink to me, throw that over there. All right. Number two. I got a tank top and shorts. That was $9. This is what it looked like right here when I ordered it. Let's see if it looks as accurate. Ooh, hold on now. Throw that there. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, these look soft. Okay. Okay, I thought they had something under it. Nothing under it. Oh, look at the little Chicago at the back. It feels very silk and comfortable. Then let's look at the tank top. This was only $9, so I like this right here. It's small, cute, hold on, versatile. Get your girl right, get your girl. This is cute. Silk just like the top. Alright, and then checking out number 3. This, I believe, is the 2-piece black sweatsuit I got. This is what it looked like when I ordered it online. So let's see. Hold on now. This is as comfortable as that first one. Okay, let's put that down. Ooh, okay. Your girl finna be warm, comfortable, and cute. So this is basic. It's not like nothing on it. It's just black. The inside material feels pretty warm. Yeah, warm. And then we got pockets. Yes, we do. We do have pockets. I love that about it. All right, let's check out the hood part. This right here. This right here. Yeah, ain't nothing special on it, but yeah, it definitely does have that look, so I can crunch in the middle. You feel that little bottom scrunch? It is how I thought, and it's warm too. Like, let's put our hand inside. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm trying all this on. Okay, and then we have tie-dye. This is how it looked online. Not too bad, not too bad. So the tie-dye was $19. So, oh, okay, so it's not as soft as the other ones. This one's more silky. It's not like thick like sweat material, but it's cute. It's what I kind of thought I was going for. Let's see the top. Yeah. Top is pretty hard too. Top is pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie with you. Yeah, I'm trying this on. I got all smalls and everything. Everything was a small. That was a real risk, but to be honest, I don't really. I'm just getting into smalls. All right, so I'm just getting into smalls. So I'd be a little skeptical, but I'm a small. So I used to be like a large. So you guys bear with me and my sizes. Oh, what's this? Oh, these are the leggings. So I got some leggings. These are $9. Well, it was $9. Okay. This is what it looked like online. This is what I got. Okay, the material was questionable. It is very see-through. You feel me? Hold on. See-through. Yes, I like that. Oh, look, and they got the crunch in the back. I didn't know it had that. So now it look like I'm gonna have some cake. You know? Yes, I'm gonna have, your girl gonna have some cake. Yeah, this is cute. And then this top, I hope it fits me right, but this is supposed to squeeze in that little hanging roll, those hanging rolls that you got on the side. So we're gonna try it out. Try it on. All right, and then we're gonna go with this t-shirt. All right, I'm happy about this t-shirt. I'm not gonna lie. This is what it looked like. The t-shirt was only $8, so I'm not tripping on that too much. See. Okay, comfortable t-shirt, not gonna lie. Oh yes, this is exactly what I thought I was getting on the low. Yeah, on the low. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, this is cute. It looks comfortable. It feels comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. I like how it's on there too. Yeah, this is cute. Alright, and last thing. Okay, so those are all the clothes I got. Now I also got like a sweat sauna like vest, so that was $11. And I was like, I need something for when I'm going running and stuff like that. So this is what it looked like. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. I don't think so either. This is what I got. You can go ahead and zip it down. Oh, hold on now, we're getting stuck already. Oh. Zip that down. Open it up. And then, because I'm working on them abs, I'll be needing something to sweat with. And this would be perfect to go right under my clothes. So, I also got these shoes. And the shoes was like 14 bucks. So, not too bad. Shoes not bad. I was like, might as well grab me some shoes, right? And of those shoes, okay. All right. I've never seen foam inside the shoes when you get them. But I hear y'all said we ain't paying for that cardboard. But yeah, these look comfortable. These look tight. And for $12, oh sorry, for $14, I don't think they're that bad. Why did I even buy all this stuff? I bought all that extra stuff because I really wanted this last piece. This last piece cost me $36. This was the most expensive thing that I even wanted, like that I picked out. So I bought all that extra stuff because I was already ordering something. So I was like, oh, well, might as well. So I got a trash backpack that I've been wearing for a good 6 years now. I seen it in one of my old videos and I was like, that's the same backpack I got currently. I looked at it and I was like, dang, that thing is looking rough. I recently just got a new computer and I was like, I'm putting that computer in my bag and I'm like, yikes, this is not safe. Like every time I put the bag down, I'm like, did it break the computer? Oh my gosh, did I break the computer? Like, so this is the main reason I even got this. So for this backpack now, this is what it looks like. These are the compartments that I liked, right? My favorite one was the bottom compartment right there. Yeah, with the shoes and stuff. I was like, okay, we can go somewhere with that. And this is what the bag looks like. OMG. OMG, yes. This is clean. It looks thick. This looks like it can support something right here. You feel me? I be going on hikes and stuff, so I really be needing something. It really has that little compartment. I don't know how deep it is. I'm gonna have to test that. It comes with a little clutch on. I don't know what that's exactly for. Let's check these other compartments. Oh, that side don't zip out. Only this side. Oh, it zips all the way open. Okay. We got compartments on compartments. We got this. I don't really use that, but if I ever need to charge, I guess I could do that. The inside is sit. This is where the shoes go. Zip it up here. I hope you have to see all that. It even has a little compartment in here. A little drink compartment. Snap that smile back. Goldfish. Look, I don't know. That's about it. But this bag looked clean. It looked like it's really gonna support my new computer. I like the compartments. Yeah. So let's be honest, y'all. If I had to rate this app on dopeness, it would be a 10 out of 10. Why? For one, the shipping came in 9 days. Overseas. Overseas came in 9 days. Number two, I paid $37 for all of this for the first week, and I got my item. Yes, I still got payments to go. Don't even worry, I got payments to go. But it came before my second payment. Usually, as said, I be waiting months in to get stuff. I got this $37, all that, $37 for my first, before anything else dropped. Okay? Before anything else dropped. I got that for $37. All that stuff y'all see. So, can't beat that. Number three, it was exactly like I ordered on the picture. I was very skeptical that it wasn't going to be like I thought, but it was exactly how I thought. Like, it came looking like I thought. The only thing is, I got to see if I try them on and see if they all fit, but you can check that out at the end of the video. But even if it don't, like, you can send them back. It was comfortable. I didn't expect them all to even be that comfortable. You see me? So, thank God for that. So, I appreciate y'all checking out my first package from Temu. I will be getting more stuff from Temu, so don't get it twisted, alright? So if y'all want to stay tuned, y'all already know where to stay. If y'all want to check out this app, I have it linked below, so y'all can go ahead, shoot over there, and get y'all some stuff. Whatever you're thinking, they probably have it, I'm telling you. And you won't be walking around like everybody else. That's the main point. I don't want y'all walking around like everybody else. Like, come on, get with it. Be individualized, you feel me? Not everybody got all that. I like that. So if y'all have fun reviewing this dope ass package with me, drop a like, you feel me? And then share this with someone who might need this app in their life. And then comment what you're gonna end up buying from Temu. Alright, y'all. Dope ass DJ out. Have a good night. We out of here.